When I walk into prep every morning, I kind of feel this sense of purpose that what I'm learning here is beyond just high school.
There is really a sense of this phrase, prep family. Our students take that seriously. They take ownership of caring for one another. Our student body is increasingly more and more diverse. We have all kinds of students, all kinds of learners, all kinds of people who come to school here, people who don't all look the same, don't all pray the same, and that is really a beautiful thing that has enriched our community.
When I was trying to find high schools, I came to the open house and everybody's talking about the prep family. I thought it sounded a little cheesy, but really everybody is friends and everybody is here for each other.
The seniors kind of like scooped me up and took me under their wing, and I think that really helped me become the better upperclassman I am, because if I saw the underclassmen struggling or they weren't having the best day, like I was just like, hey, like it's okay, it happens to the best of us. You know, you're not gonna have a good meet or a good practice every day.
It's real what happens here. You're not just here doing academics. You're growing and changing and being challenged, and that happens in the classroom, it happens on the athletic field, it happens in our service program, it happens in our retreat program. They find those things that really excite them and they pursue them.
I didn't really think that I would fit in with a lot of the kids because there's like a plethora of different talents in my grade. We have athletes, students, photographers, great actors, singers, but I sort of realized through the reflections that we're all really not that different because we're all learning how to use our talents for other people.
Next year, as a senior, I think my role will be to understand how they're feeling and be able to connect with them with that. I went through the same thing, but trust me, in a few weeks, you'll be like, why was I so nervous? I just want to be able to make them feel comforted and safe and kind of like this is their home, their second home.
These friendships that are formed here on Wyoming Avenue, they don't terminate at graduation. These people are in each other's weddings. They celebrate with their children together. They gather very regularly. This community, it persists beyond their 4 years here.